Hey class, we're going to work on creating position versus time, velocity versus time, and acceleration versus time graphs for carts on a ramp. So the first trial we're going to do is simply with the cart at the top of the ramp and just let it go all the way down. So what I want you to do on your paper is create a position versus time, velocity versus time, and acceleration versus time graph. There's no need to add any numbers, we just need the two axes. And I want you to draw what you predict the shape of the three graphs will be. As you're doing that, think about what the starting position, velocity, and acceleration will be, and also whether each of those is going to be changing or staying the same. Here we go. You can see from my graph, the position versus time graph started at 0, because the starting position was 0, and it was increasing in the positive direction, positive being going down the ramp. But notice it's a curve because it's not increasing at a constant rate. The second graph, the velocity versus time graph, you see also started at 0 because the initial velocity was 0, and that was increasing at a positive rate, so we got a line. The acceleration versus time graph started with a positive acceleration, and that acceleration stayed the same the whole time, and so we've got a horizontal line above the x-axis. All right, we're going to get another set of graphs, so you can either keep the same ones you have and use a different color or type of a line to help you keep them straight, or you would start a new graph. This time, I'm going to start the cart in the middle of the track, about halfway down. I'm going to push it up and then let it come back down. So once again, position 0 is at the top of the ramp, and going down the ramp is positive. I'll give you a minute to draw what you think, sketch what you think the graphs will look like. Here we go. So starting right here. Let's try that again. Starting right here, going up, and back down. A little bit too slow, so let me try that a little bit faster this time. Starting right here, going up, and back down. Take 3. Starting right here, going up, there we got it. So notice the graph is starting with a starting positive position, so you should have a positive y-intercept. Then the curve is going down, getting close to 0, and then curving back up. The velocity versus time